In today's fast-paced technological world, the realm of data science is ever-evolving. One question that arises frequently is Python still the king of data science? Python's journey into the heart of data science began years ago, and its rise has been nothing short of phenomenal. Versatility is Python's first ace. Its ability to simplify complex tasks with readable and concise code makes it a favorite among both beginners and seasoned professionals. With libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib, Python lays down a robust foundation, allowing for powerful data manipulation and visualization. Enter the era of machine learning, and Python again stands tall. TensorFlow, Scikit Learn, and PyTorch have become synonymous with cutting-edge machine learning projects. These libraries accelerate development and deployment, making Python indispensable for anyone diving deep into AI. Moreover, Python's extensive community support and the wealth of available resources ensure that any hurdle can be swiftly addressed. Newcomers find comfort in extensive documentation and practical tutorials, all of which make learning Python for data science a rewarding endeavor. However, is Python's reign unchallenged? The landscape is not without competitors. R, for instance, holds its ground with statisticians. Its statistical packages and insights can sometimes surpass Python's offerings, especially in niche scenarios. Julia, another language on the horizon, boasts impressive performance and an easy-to-adopt syntax, raising questions about future disruptions. Despite these emerging contenders, Python remains unparalleled in integrating machine learning, deep learning, and production-level deployments. Its adaptability and cohesive environment are why many organizations continue to choose Python as their mainstay in data science projects. In essence, while challenges persist, Python's dominance is built on a strong and expansive ecosystem, making it likely to remain a key player in data science for years to come. What do you think? Is Python still the king, or will we see a shift in the throne? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights.